Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will try to tell you the 5 best gifts for her on birthday. There's something magical about watching someone you love open a birthday gift that you've carefully chosen just for them. That moment when their eyes light up, when they realize you truly understand what makes them happy. That's what gift giving is all about. But let's be honest, finding the perfect gifts for her on birthday occasions can feel overwhelming with so many options available. So let's get into the main part of the main video. Number 1. Romantic jewelry when you want to say forever. The power of personalized necklaces. There's a reason jewelry has been the go-to gift for expressing love throughout history. It's personal, lasting, and can be worn close to the heart. When you're searching for gifts for her on birthday that carry deep emotional significance, personalized jewelry tops the list. Anniversary necklace with birthstone, a love story in silver. Imagine presenting her with a necklace that combines elegant design with profound personal meaning. The anniversary necklace for women featuring birthstone jewelry is crafted from filled 925 sterling silver with luxurious gold plating, creating a piece that's both beautiful and durable. What makes this necklace extraordinary is its thoughtful design. The pendant features a love symbol paired with a delicate moon charm. And here's where it gets truly romantic. It's engraved with the timeless phrase, "I love you," to the moon and back. For anyone familiar with this expression, it represents limitless love, the kind that transcends boundaries and distance. But the personalization doesn't stop there. The necklace incorporates birthstone customization, with each of the 12 months represented by a specific cubic zirconia stone. Each birthstone carries its own unique meaning and symbolism, transforming this already special piece into something uniquely hers. Whether she's a passionate January garnet or a serene September sapphire, this detail shows you've thought about what makes her special. The practical benefits are equally impressive. The hypoallergenic sterling silver ensures that even those with sensitive skin can wear it comfortably all day, every day. The crisscross chain design adds a contemporary touch to the romantic elements, making it versatile enough for both casual and formal occasions. This isn't just a gift. It's a cherished keepsake designed to last for years, becoming more meaningful with each passing anniversary or birthday. Preserved rose with hidden "I love you" necklace. Romance. Doubled. If you want to create an unforgettable moment when she opens her gift, consider the preserved galaxy rose paired with a hidden necklace. This combination represents one of the most romantic gifts for her on birthday that you can find, and here's why it's so special. The rose itself is 100% real, not artificial or silk, but an actual flower that's been preserved through a sophisticated process, allowing it to maintain its natural beauty for 3 to 5 years. No watering, no maintenance, no wilting. It's a powerful symbol. Just as this rose defies time, so does your love for her. Now here's where the surprise element comes in. Hidden inside the bottom of the elegant rose box is a stunning double heart necklace engraved with "I love you" in 100 different languages. The two hearts are intertwined, symbolizing two lives joined together, two souls that have found each other. When she discovers this hidden treasure beneath the preserved rose, you'll have created not just one gift moment, but two. The complete package includes the preserved eternal rose, an elegant gift box, the double heart necklace, a gift bag, and a greeting card. Everything is presentation ready, allowing you to focus on the moment rather than worrying about wrapping and packaging. This gift works beautifully for birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or even as an "I'm sorry" gesture when you need to express your feelings sincerely. Number 2. Tech-savvy gifts for the modern woman. When functionality meets elegance. Not every woman wants traditional gifts, and that's perfectly okay. For the tech-savvy, practical, or minimalist woman in your life, innovative gadgets that enhance daily living can be incredibly thoughtful gifts for her on birthday. The Valo 4-in-1, wonder your gift-giving secret weapon. Picture this. It's evening, and she's winding down from a busy day. She places her phone on her nightstand, and it immediately begins charging wirelessly. She taps the lamp once, and soft, warm light fills the room at just the right brightness. With a few swipes on her phone, her favorite relaxation playlist begins streaming through crystal-clear speakers, all from this single, elegantly designed device on her bedside table. This is the magic of the Asvalo 4-in-1 multifunctional device, a gift that keeps giving every single day. Let's break down what makes this such a smart choice. Portable Bluetooth speaker. Equipped with advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, this speaker delivers flawless wireless audio streaming from up to 33 feet away. The integrated 2.0 stereo sound system produces surprisingly clear, immersive audio despite its compact size. Whether she's into podcasts, audiobooks, meditation sounds, or music, the audio quality will impress her. Touch control bedside lamp. Forget fumbling for switches in the dark. This lamp features intuitive touch controls with 4 distinct brightness settings: 0%, 30%, 70%, and 100%. A simple tap cycles through each level, allowing her to set the perfect ambiance, whether she's reading before bed, getting ready in the morning, or creating a relaxing atmosphere. The soft, soothing light is designed specifically for nighttime use, reducing harsh blue light that can disrupt sleep patterns. Wireless charger. In our perpetually connected world, running out of battery is a modern nightmare. This device includes a Qi-compatible wireless charging spot. She simply places her smartphone on the designated area, and it charges automatically. No more tangled cables, no more searching for chargers. Important note: the lamp must be plugged into a power outlet via the included adapter for the wireless charging function to work, and her phone must support the Qi wireless charging standard. Adjustable phone and tablet holder. The 180-degree rotating head is a game changer for anyone who uses their devices for video calls, watching content, or reading. She can effortlessly switch between portrait and landscape modes, finding the perfect viewing angle for whatever she's doing. Whether it's on her desk for work-from-home video conferences, on her nightstand for watching shows before sleep, or in the kitchen for following recipe videos, this holder adapts to her needs. The sleek, polished design fits seamlessly into any decor style, and at just 16 ounces, it's genuinely portable. She can move it from room to room as needed. The device comes in a beautiful gift box, making presentation effortless. This is one of those rare gifts that combines thoughtfulness with everyday utility, showing her you care about making her daily life easier and more enjoyable. Number 3. Luxury spa experiences. The gift of self-care. Why spa gifts are always a win. In our hectic, always-on world, self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Yet many women, especially those who are caregivers, professionals, or both, often put everyone else's needs before their own. When you give spa-themed gifts for her on birthday, you're not just giving products. You're giving permission to pause, relax, and prioritize her own well-being. You're saying, "You deserve this. Take time for yourself." Almond Milk and Honey Beauty Set, a 10-piece spa sanctuary. Transform her bathroom into a 5-star spa retreat with the deluxe Almond Milk and Honey Beauty and Personal Care Set. This isn't your average bath gift. It's a comprehensive self-care experience that addresses every aspect of a luxurious spa day. What's inside the basket? The 10-piece collection includes shower gel for daily cleansing, bubble bath for soaking away stress, body scrub for gentle exfoliation, bath salt to soothe tired muscles, bath oil for skin nourishment, a soft hand towel, 2 extra-large bath bombs that transform ordinary baths into aromatic experiences, and a shower steamer tablet that releases fragrance even during quick showers. The Almond Oil and Honey Advantage. These aren't random ingredients. They're specifically chosen for their skin benefits. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, one of nature's most powerful antioxidants that protects skin from environmental damage and helps maintain moisture. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it excellent for sensitive skin. Together with added shea butter, these ingredients create products that don't just smell amazing, they actively improve skin health with anti-aging properties. Clean beauty commitment. This entire collection is 100% paraben-free and cruelty-free, perfect for the conscious consumer who cares about what goes on her skin and how products are made. The formulations are gentle enough for sensitive skin, while still being effective enough to create that spa-quality experience. Presentation perfect. Everything comes beautifully arranged in a handmade basket with stunning wrapping. There's even a gift note card included, so you can personalize your message. She can use it immediately without any additional preparation on your part. Just hand it over and watch her face light up. This gift is ideal for the woman who rarely takes time for herself, the one who's always busy taking care of everyone else. It's a gentle nudge that says, "You're worth this." Take an hour, lock the bathroom door, and just breathe. Number 4. Love You Necklace. Eternal Flowers Rose Birthday Gifts for Women. Eternal Romance. Why the preserved red rose with I Love You necklace is the ultimate birthday gift for her. When you're searching for meaningful gifts for her on birthday, a preserved red real rose with an I Love You necklace makes a truly unforgettable choice. This eternal rose is crafted from 100% real fresh flowers and preserved to last 3 to 5 years without any maintenance, symbolizing everlasting love. The elegant double heart necklace engraved with I Love You in 100 languages adds a deeply romantic touch, making it perfect for your wife, girlfriend, mom, or grandma. Beautifully packaged in a luxury gift box with a greeting card and gift bag included, this set delivers a complete birthday surprise that blends love, beauty, and sentiment in one timeless keepsake. In a world of fleeting trends, this gift stands out as a heartfelt emblem of enduring affection. Imagine her face lighting up as she opens the box to reveal the vibrant red rose, forever blooming in its acrylic dome, untouched by time or wilt. Tucked beneath is the necklace, a delicate double heart pendant where a simple shine of light or smartphone camera reveals I love you, whispered in tongues from Arabic to Zulu. It's not just a present, it's a promise, a story she'll share for years. The magic behind the preservation-preserved roses undergo a meticulous process. Fresh blooms are dehydrated and infused with natural pigments and glycerin, locking in their color and softness without chemicals that could harm the environment. This 100% real flower maintains its velvety texture and scent, requiring no water, sunlight, or care, ideal for busy lives or sentimental spaces like a vanity or nightstand. Lasting 3 to 5 years or longer with gentle handling, it's a low-maintenance luxury that outshines cut flowers that fade in days. A necklace that speaks volumes. The star of the set is the necklace. 2 interlocking hearts, one adorned with sparkling rhinestones, the other housing a mysterious black gemstone. Under light, it projects I love you in 100 languages, turning a quiet moment into a global serenade. Crafted from hypoallergenic alloy with a 18-22-inch adjustable chain, it's versatile for everyday wear or special occasions. Whether she's layering it with favorites or wearing it solo, it becomes a daily reminder of your bond. Number 5. Christmas gifts for women. Birthday gifts for women. Christmas gifts for mom spa. Gifts for wife. Why the Alamu Lavender Spa gift basket is the perfect wow birthday gift for her in 2025. When you're looking for gifts for her on birthday that feel luxurious, thoughtful, and instantly Instagram-worthy, the Alamu Lavender Self-Care Gift Basket checks every single box, and then some. This isn't just another generic gift set. It's a complete 7-piece spa experience wrapped in romantic purple packaging that screams, "You deserve to be spoiled." From the moment she lifts the lid and sees "Just for You" embossed on the box, she'll know this wasn't an afterthought. It was chosen with love. What's inside this dreamy lavender gift set? Novelty. You are awesome. Insulated tumbler. A stylish 12-ounce BOZ stainless steel cup with lid and straw. Perfect for her morning coffee, evening wine, or staying hydrated in style. Lavender-scented candle. Hand-poured soy wax for hours of calming aroma. Luxurious bath bombs and bath salts. Fizzing, skin-softening bliss, infused with real lavender essential oil. Artisanal handmade soap, gentle, moisturizing, and smells like a Provençal field. Dried flower greeting card. Ready for your personal message. And it's gorgeous, even blank. Elegant purple gift box. No wrapping needed. It's ready to gift the second it arrives. Total value feels like 80 plus, yet it's priced around $35 at $42 on Amazon with Prime shipping. Why women are obsessed with it. Real reviews. My mom cried when she opened this on her birthday. She said it was the most beautiful gift she'd ever received. Bought for my best friend, who has everything. She posted it on her story calling it pure magic. The tumbler is my new favorite. I use it every single day and get compliments constantly. Perfect for literally anyone on your list. Mom, grandma, sister, wife, girlfriend, daughter, best friend, teacher, co-worker, boss lady, neighbor, teen girls, new moms, bridesmaids, or someone who just needs a hug in gift form. Direct Amazon link. Top-rated version. Alimu Lavender Spa gift set for women. Birthday gift basket with tumbler, candle, and more. Buy now on Amazon Prime eligible. Pro tip, add a short note on the included card like, "You are awesome, today and every day. Happy birthday." And watch her melt. In 2025, when everyone's tired of stuff, this is the gift that says, "I see you, I appreciate you, and you deserve to relax." One click, zero stress, maximum heart explosions. That's the Alimu magic.